Good morning and welcome to the lovely village of Holmrook, situated in the National Park on the west coast of Cumbria. And the stunning property we're here to see today is Forcebank Cottage, that beauty behind me. A 2-bedroomed, 2-reception room, fully renovated over the last years. Beautiful cottage. Ideal for first-time buyers, ideal for holiday let, and ideal for somebody that wants to retire or live in a very secluded area with accessibility to market towns. The village itself is a stone's throw away from the beach. It's connected by the A595, which is just down there, giving you access to Barrow in the south, Workington, Whitehaven and Cockermouth in the north. Let's get you inside. Street scene then. We'll go up the road, that leads us to the A595 with access to the beach at Drigg and Millham and Barrow. I'm going to spin you around. The village road then takes us down. On the right hand side, about 100 yards down the road, is Woodlands coffee shop. You follow the road down for about a mile and it connects with the A595, giving you direct access to the market towns of Whitehaven, Workington and Cockermouth. Let's get you inside. I'm really excited to show you this. So we come round, we're going to come through the front door of this amazing property. As we come in, we come into what is one of the 2 reception rooms. A lovely large room, as you can see. Dual aspect windows, currently being used by the current owner as a music room. To spin you round, we come into the first of the good sized double bedrooms. Large window on the left, letting lots of light in. This is a very spacious room. You can see double wardrobe, bookshelf, and still plenty of room in this bedroom. Going to spin you back, come through the music room, and we come down into what is probably one of my favourite parts of the property, which is this stunning kitchen diner. Brand new, fully renovated. You've got all of the mod cons and the stunning views out that window over the fells. I'm going to spin you round. This would be a fantastic room for entertaining family and guests. And you can see that the current owners have put a lot of love and care into this property. We're going to come through this door at the end. This is your utility room. In there, downstairs toilet, wash basin, and all of your utilities. And again, extra storage space within the utility room. I'm going to spin you back round. Come through, just look at the size of this kitchen diner. It's absolutely stunning. Absolutely love it. I'm going to come down into this long hallway, come into the bathroom. Lovely bath, toilet, sink, and power shower there in the corner. Again, a really good sized bathroom, lots of light and very pleasant. We turn round, we come through down this little alleyway into the master bedroom. I'm going to just bring you to the window. Just look at those views that you wake up to every morning. Absolutely stunning. Really good sized master bedroom. Plenty of space again, built-in storage, lots and lots of room, bright and airy. We come down into, again, one of my favourite rooms. This is the lounge. Absolutely massive lounge. Dual aspect windows, original fireplace, wood burner, and just look at those views out of your windows across the fells and into the national park. This really is the highlight of this property. Lovely room. I can imagine spending many a cosy night here with the fire on, looking out over the fells. I'm going to quickly walk through the property so that I can take you out into the back garden, which is a wraparound back garden. The property stands in approximately 0.5 acres and is mixed shrubs, trees, lawned area and separate areas. We come out of the back door. You can see here patio area. Again, the patio area has just been put in. You've got another seating area down by the greenhouse. You've got access into the garden from the side of the property. Spin you round. We come down here. You can see a very quiet, secluded garden. Really is stunning. At the end of the garden, you've got a river, never floods, but it's just nice. If I shut up for one moment, there, silence. All you could hear was the soothing water of the river. We come along, so this is all of your garden. You come along and just look at those stunning, stunning views. Absolutely to die for, and literally over your garden wall. Stunning property, stunning property. Walk up the side of the house, again, all shrubs, mature shrubs, gardens. You can see it's really, really well maintained. It's also very, very easy to maintain. I'm going to go out the side gate, back onto the main road, just to show you an addition of the property. So you can see the car there, that land there, where it says no parking private property, up to the tree is yours. Enough parking there for 3 or 4 vehicles. We then come through this gate here. Again, parking in here for 2 or 3 vehicles. This is all part of Forcebank Cottage. We come down here through this lovely arch. I'm not going to go to the end of the garden because it's dead dirty and muddy, but again, all of this comes with this stunning, stunning property. So there we have it then. A simply stunning 2-bedroomed, 2 reception room, fully refurbished over the last 6 to 7 years by the current owners. Cottage situated in a secluded area, close to the national park, views over the fells. Really is a stunning, stunning property. If you'd like any more information or to book a viewing, please give our office a call on 01768 881111. Many thanks. Bye.